Yeah, that's the first. That's the one you did first.
Yeah.
My name is Eddie Roy and this is Clue TV. Thank you for
Mm-hmm.
watching. Make sure you take your time to subscribe, like and share whatever we put here. Singer Brandy shared a clip of her in studio during the recording of Star, one of the songs that she recorded. She was sharing how
There
she
you go.
layers her vocals and creates her music, and this song was basically a song in Star. Remember
No matter. It's a
the
no matter.
series that she was featured in?
Yeah.
And we can't wait to see more of what comes out of this. I believe Star is destined for
You did. You did.
a
I can
sequel,
tell.
or rather a next season, so we can't wait to see what's coming up. So here's a snippet of what she has, and please listen.
Yeah, I like it. That right there.
Okay,
No matter what I'm going through. Here you go. No matter what I'm going
Let me hear it
through.
again so I can master it.
All right.
No matter what, no matter what. Do you like that pronunciation better?
Yeah.
No matter what.
I wanted attitude, so
All right.
yeah.
With you, life I can win. No matter what.
Oh, you got bracelet. We're going over that.
No matter what I'm going through, I'm going with you. Life I can win. No matter what I'm going through.
I'm going through.
Going through.
No, going through.
Going through.
Yeah, that's the first. That's the one you did first.
Yeah. No matter what I'm going through.
Mm-hmm.
With you, life I can win. No matter what I'm going through. I take time.
The going through is perfect, so I know you're gonna want to get that beginning.
No matter what I'm going through.
Yeah. There you go.
With you, life I can win. No matter what I'm going through.
It's the no matter. It's the no matter. No matter.
No matter.
Yeah.
With you, life I can win. No matter what I'm going through. I put God in the middle.
You did. I could tell.
One more time. With you, life I can win. No matter. One more time. No matter. With you, life I can win. No matter what I'm going through.
I like that.
You like that?
Yes.
All right.
Listen.
With you, life I can win. No matter what I'm going through. What?
Yeah. All right. Get it again.
No